We are going to learn about classifying the properties and changes of matter. Properties of matter can be classified as either physical or chemical properties. Physical properties can be directly observed and describe the substance. Examples of physical properties would include color or density. Chemical properties can only be observed through chemical reactions. Examples of chemical properties would include reactivity and flammability. Properties of matter can also be classified as intensive or extensive. Intensive properties do not depend on the amount of matter present, so it stays the same no matter what. Examples of intensive properties would be color, boiling point, freezing point, or the density of the matter as long as it's in the same state. Extensive physical properties do depend on the amount. So examples of extensive physical properties would be mass, volume, length, or reaction enthalpy. Physical changes do not change the identity of a substance. So if you do something to it and it's still the same substance, then it was a physical change. Example, boiling water, if it's still water, you just change it from a liquid to a gas phase, that's a physical change. Ripping paper, it's still paper, so it was a physical change. It is important to note here that some physical changes are irreversible. And then finally, another example of a physical change could be mixing some things together. Chemical changes do form new substances through chemical reactions, so you can't get your original substances back. Evidence of chemical changes would include a color change, a new smell, new matter created, if you evolve a gas, so if it bubbles, or if the reaction has a change in heat, either it gets hotter or it gets colder, or if it gives off light. That would be all evidences of chemical change.
Created using Powtoon.